Alright, here we are, installing Windows files. I haven't got my M.2s yet, but I've got a old SSD down there I'm just installing it on. Look at these garish colours, would you? Anyway, I'm currently working at 3.8 gigahertz and the RAM's set up for 3600. I haven't overclocked anything. As you can see, I've only just installing Windows. So, but it's working, people. That's working. Alright, so I've got a new monitor in. It's quite a large one. It's in 1080p, 165 hertz. It's got a lovely refresh rate. I've still got to fine tune that. And as you can see right now, I'm updating, downloading and installing all the drivers. I'm going to update this because obviously the red, green, blue on the motherboard's not working, and it should be, because it should all be controlled by everything's controlled by the motherboard. Alright, so that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like from the front. Looks pretty good. From the side. And because while I'm sitting here, when I get this set up, I'll be able to see the temperatures and the frequency and everything else. Hey everybody, how is all going? So I've got the computer set up running. I do have the graphics card overclocked to just over 1900 megahertz from, I don't know, I think it's 17 or 16, and it's going really well. I'm in this new game. It's called New World. It's pretty good. Look, just watch me frames as I'm running along here. The frames are up the top there, FPS. As you can see, I get really good FPS playing this game. Really, really good. I'm in town. I'm getting over 100, up to 100 FPS. I'm just running around. I'm down here near the smelters and that. It's really hard just to do it with one hand, but there you go. Now I am in country Western Australia through wireless NBN. I don't notice the latency at all. I haven't got my frame rates capped or anything like that. It's just going really, really well. And for you gamers out there, I've been playing this. My son went and bought the game after, when he came down to drop off that video card and stuff for me. I showed him this game when he was down here and he went and bought it. So we've both been playing it yesterday. And this 33-inch IPS monitor, it's got a slight curve in it. It's 165 hertz. There you go, you can see the curve. 165 hertz monitor, works really well. The only thing with the computer build that I can't get working right is this WindForce controller. I'm having problems with the Gigabyte software, and a lot of people have problems with the Gigabyte software. I'm hoping I can have that sorted out. I'm hoping. Because I did get it to show the CPU temps and that, you know, but if I can't get it working, then I'm not very happy with it. I mean, it's sounded good on the box and on the site, but I don't know.
after my wife went and started looking around, a lot of people are having the same issue with their software. It's just not working right. How I've got the lights set up is when it's all running at the correct temperatures, all the fan lights are green, and as it warms up they go to yellow and then to red. And with the RAM, that they're meant to be green as well, but the green isn't coming through. I'm having a RG blue issue as well. I don't know, but they're set up to work the same way. So yeah, if the computer gets, you know, above 60, everything's meant to go yellow, and if it hits 80, then everything's meant to go red, to let me know it's time to back off from whatever I'm doing at the time. Anyway, that's it, peoples. There, that's the system there. Excuse my hinky down the bottom. I've still got a bit of a cold. We went to the doctor's surgery to get some prescriptions for me, and yeah, we picked up a cold there, didn't we, love? Yeah. So yeah, I don't know. Sometimes I think, you know, it would be good if I could do it just over the telephone. I mean, why do I have to go in to get a prescription just to be exposed to these flu viruses that are going around? Anyway, keep well, everybody. And I do recommend this game, by the way. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. All right, bye for now.